Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roma and I was inspired. So last month we did some really fun Star Wars inspired looks, and this time what I would like to do, it actually probably take 2 months of weekly tutorials, but I'd like to do Disney princess inspired looks. So this is going to be so exciting. They're super simple as far as application goes. So if you are not sure how to work your eyeshadow, or look for, or how to work a simple makeup look, this is your opportunity. So we are going to start with my first Disney princess inspired look, and this is of course Pocahontas. So these are the colors that we're using. This is our perfect palette, which is awesome. So in here I have got Sandcastle, we have burnished bronze and moss, and then we're going to use golden copper for our cheek color today. You can also do some contouring as well if you prefer, if you want to add that on, but we're just going to keep it really simple right now. So we're going to start with our Sandcastle look, and we're going to use our all over eyeshadow brush for that. So I'm just going to get some on there, both sides. Then this color is going to go above the crease. So if you take your pinky finger and you find that groove in your eyeball, like that right above your eyeball, that is your crease, okay? So then this color is going to go on right above that. And it's kind of like a rainbow shape or an arc. Bring it down into the middle. So for me, this color is actually very, very close to my natural skin tone. But even if that's the case, it does just even everything out. So it kind of evens out all the coloration, makes it really nice and even. Then we are going to use, this is kind of fun, burnished bronze, which is a sparkly deep brown, or mid brown, I guess. And this is going to go on the lower part of your lid. So essentially the part of your eyelid that opens and closes. So everything below the crease. And this is nice because it's got that metallic shimmer to it. Super pretty. This is a great warm tone look. Browns and greens. So then I really like to use, we're going to put the next color in the crease itself in that groove. And I really like to use our smudger for that because it kind of gets right in there. So I'm going to just get some on our, let me get situated. There we go. Moss. Right on the tip of that. And then just close my eyes and I just lightly apply the eyeshadow in that groove. Now, everybody gets scared when there's like color on the eye that you can see, and it's okay. Do not be alarmed if there's a fair bit of color there, because we're gonna go back, use that all over eyeshadow brush again, and just blend that in. So we're gonna get rid of all those rough edges, even it out. And then we're gonna use our crease brush, and we're just gonna put that moss color on the outer bit of the eye as well. So in the crease and on the outer corner. If you're not sure where to put that, again, use your pinky finger, place it on the outer corner of your eyelid. That's exactly where you want to put that color. So that's your outer corner. Blend that in with the all over eyeshadow brush. We're gonna do a eyeliner with our liquid liner. We'll just keep it nice and simple. Upper lash line. As close to the roots of your lashes as possible. Just creates that more density factor on your eyelashes, right? And then we'll use our Ultimate Mascara, which is really great to provide some volume and length. And we'll put mascara on our upper lashes. Brings that look right together. These are all, of course, Mary Kay products. If you're interested in simple eyeshadow looks, be sure to join us for our event May 27th. We're going to be doing a Facebook event that talks specifically about basic eyeshadow application and wow brows. So that'll be fun. So now we're going to take our cheek color. We're going to take the golden copper. Our cheek brush has this rounded part to it. That's the part that I'm going to put in the color. Tap off the excess. Smile. And you want that big part that bunches up when you smile. That's the apple of our cheek. And you're just going to circle that color into the apple up along your hairline as well with the excess. Apple, cheekbone, in your hairline. Just a little bit of color. And then to go together with this color combination, I have our exotic mango lipstick, which I think is awesome. So this is super pretty because if you look at Pocahontas's lips, they do have a warmth to them and a depth to them. So that's what we're going to use here. I've just got some on the back of my hand. Use our lip brush. And that is it for our Pocahontas look. Thanks for joining me. Hope you had fun and hope you liked our first Disney princess look. Have a great week.